Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to test whether this K2 oil stop leak will cure a rear main oil seal on this 2.8 CRD Cherokee Jeep.
So I've done the oil change on the car and cleaned off under here. What I'm going to do now is run the vehicle for a couple of weeks and a couple of 100 miles and just monitor whether or not we're still losing oil. I'll report back soon.
So I've had a clean up under here. It's probably been about 1,000 miles since I've added the K2 rear main oil sealer. I originally bought 2 bottles of it, and after a couple of 100 miles it was still dripping, so I ordered another couple of bottles and added that I said probably about sort of 600 to 800 miles ago. The original video was filmed in May, it's now August, so it's had a good opportunity to work through the system. And the reason that I went back and bought another couple of bottles is, reading through the comments, people kindly said that when they had used the Blue Devil oil sealer, they had to use 2 bottles rather than the 1, and that had resolved their oil leak. So yeah, as you can see, it's clean now. It wasn't clean, but it was better than it was with the oil sealer that I'd originally added. So I'm going to start the engine up and we're going to just see whether we've got any more leaks. So as you can see from that, I can't see any oil leaking now. Just going to check the dipstick. I've already taken it out and wiped it once, and as you can see, it's halfway down the dipstick. So I would imagine over a period of 4 months and about 1,000 miles, it's lost about half a litres worth of oil. So it has definitely been leaking, although the engine has only just switched off. It does take quite a long time for the level to come back up. Right, so I've driven the car for about 200 miles, and as you can see, the oil leak is still there. So I wouldn't say it's any better or any worse. There's obviously a fair amount of oil sitting around the bottom there and up on the side of this engine as well. So yeah, definitely still a leak there. So I can say that the K2 oil sealer hasn't fixed this problem, even though it's been double dosed. So thanks again for watching, and if you could like and subscribe, I'll be doing more follow-up videos on this issue.